My name is Dr. Adversary, and I'm here to talk about my latest book, Practical Cyber Threat Intelligence. You all know what threat intelligence is. It's been used for hundreds of years by governments. I'm pretty sure you watch at least one movie about James Bond, MI6, CIA. You have that threat intelligence officer who goes to foreign countries, collect information which is valuable to protect their own countries. So, this is the cybersecurity version of it. In this book, I'm teaching you how you can use cyber threat intel to protect your organization better. To understand cyber threat intel, you have to collect, analyze, process the data, and you have to also understand what motivates the threat actors. In this book, we have multiple chapters, and we will start with learning threat modeling. From there, how you can collect sources of adversary data, how you can use those data, how can you analyze this data, how can you create your own IOCs, indication of compromise, to protect against threat actors. Then, of course, best practices, tools, models, and more importantly, the real life information that you need with lots of practical labs end of each chapter. I'm looking forward to have a book signing session hopefully soon while we're putting COVID slowly behind us. Thanks for watching.